Also, Sean, you installed the kit high up on our street columns.
Yeah, the Cisco devices, yes.
Yeah, and they were gifted by Welsh Gov to the authority. But I know in regeneration we knew, because of the size of mould and because of the number of streets and the fact it's not flat, that we'd need more devices. So you also installed the LoRaWAN devices as well.
Okay, so Isabel and I have worked to introduce the pilot into the town. I'm a big advocate of data and the use of data in the town to help us better understand how the town is operating. The more data we have, the better prepared we are as shopkeepers. So yeah, I've been involved from pretty much the word go. The Mould Smart Town package hopefully will allow me to drill into the time a little bit more, and the benefits of that for me is that if we're recruiting or we're looking to redeploy the team around certain trading hours, trading days, if I know that mould is always super quiet on a Monday between 9 and whatever, great, I can save myself some money and then just employ people within a time that I am busy or people are coming in. So the more data you have, the better it is. We've always opened on the Monday. Most of the town shuts on a Monday, and I always maintain Monday is a busy day for the town, and this hopefully can give other businesses the reassurance that if you open, it's worth opening, and the more businesses that open, the more people come into the town, the more the town benefits, so it's a win-win.
So we can get an idea of footfall of people coming up to the top of the high street and correlate that with the information of those who are actually accessing Bailey Hill. So if we're getting huge footfalls at the top of town but not huge footfalls in the park, that shows me that there's some work that needs to be done to encourage people to actually walk through the gates and actually come and see what we're doing here. So that information is very beneficial. Got a lot more technology which can be used on Bailey Hill, which would help not only myself as in overseeing the project, but also the local authority with regards to managing and maintaining the site. Things like the bin sensors, so that operatives only need to attend the site to empty the bins when they know they're full. I think there's definitely further development work that could take place here.
I am Andy Lightfoot, and I'm the Street Scene Area Coordinator for Mould, and the Bailey Hill and the town centre itself and its cleanliness all comes through my department. I have a team walking the streets and cleaning the streets and trying to keep it as tidy as we can. Oh, without a doubt, yes. I think introducing smart technology into our routine can only help us and improve the service that we deliver. We will find significant time savings because at the moment everything's on a paper schedule. But if we have that information to hand, you know, it means that lads aren't wasting time checking something. They'll have the alert come through.
I think it'd be a great help to the town where we've got what works planned. We can possibly plan it where we know that there's less footfall on any particular day in town, and it's a good gauge then to plan the works when we know there's less people in town. Because we'd have hard data, and if that data then shows that the work we are planning, it doesn't affect people or people's businesses as such, and that there's still people up and down in town, even though there are roadworks, we can evidence that things are okay, that people are still in town.
Although we were successful in securing quite a large amount of money originally to do the kind of first step of the project, we don't see this as the end of the project. We would like to attract further funding to continue to develop the site, improve the site, make it more accessible, have more activities and events taking place. And to do all that, we need to be able to justify to funders. So by being able to capture that information can then be used for funding applications. It can be used in the future for helping to manage events. Careful planning and good communication with all parties involved is paramount. We're very lucky here. We've got good working relationships with all our partners, open communication, and everybody is very keen to ensure that the system works for everybody. So yeah, definitely communication.
Cwbl fedra I wneud ydy dyn ni ddiolchgar iawn fel Cyngor y Dref fod pobl gweithio efo'i gilydd i wneud yn siŵr bod y dref yn cael y bobl yma i fewn ac i wneud y busnes i wybod bod ni yn edrych ar ei hôl nhw mewn ffordd ac yn wneud bob peth fedrwn ni i wneud yn siŵr bod nhw'n cael y bobl ac yn gwario pres yn y dref.